Hello everyone! In this video you will already see the issued tokens in your wallet. Let's get straight to business. Launch the devnet node in Docker. It will be needed for testing our smart contract. Go to the GitHub page of the Alephium create token repository, which I prepared specifically for this video. Be sure to give it a star. Download this repository, unzip it to your desktop. Open the unzipped folder Alephium create token main. While inside the folder, right-click and select Open in Terminal. The terminal will open and it will already be in this exact folder. Execute the command npm install typescript tsnode. Next, execute the command npm install. Now open the unzipped folder Alephium create token main in the VS Code editor. Create a .env file in the main folder. Write in it private case. Open your wallet. Switch the wallet from mainnet to devnet. Create an address with group 0. Click Add Funds to get test coins. Click Request Alephium. Test coins will arrive in your wallet. Go to the address settings and copy the private key of your address. Paste this private key into the .env file. Press Ctrl S to save the file. Now open and edit the file TheWalkingCat token ts, which is located in the scripts folder. In the receiver variable, you need to specify the Alephium wallet address, where you want to issue your tokens. Delete the address that's currently written there and paste the address where you want to issue the tokens. I will paste the address of my wallet. Now come up with a symbol for your token. The token name. And the supply of your token. In the supply, replace only the first number. Press Ctrl S to save. Switch to the terminal. Execute the command clear to clear the terminal. To compile that smart contract code, execute the command npx Alephium cli latest compile n devnet. The smart contract is compiled. Now you need to deploy it, that is, deploy it on the blockchain. To do this, execute the command npx Alephium cli latest deploy n devnet. Note that at the end of the line we specify in which network we want to execute the command. The deployment to the devnet network is completed successfully. Open your wallet and you will see that the tokens are already in your wallet. Check that your wallet is switched to devnet. Now open your local explorer. I showed how to open in the previous video about launching the devnet node. Copy the smart contract address from the terminal and find it in the local explorer. Congratulations! You see the smart contract that you deployed yourself. As I told in the previous video, 0.1 Alephium coins were sent to the smart contract from your wallet. But since this is devnet, you are not risking your real coins. Therefore, in the devnet, you can test and play with smart contracts as much as you want. In the transaction section, we see what operation the smart contract performed. The smart contract issued the tokens and sent them directly to the wallet that we specified in the code. Now let's deploy the token on mainnet. I'm closing the local explorer and opening the regular explorer that works on the mainnet network. Switch our wallet to the mainnet network. Create an address with group 0. Send a few Alephium coins to this address. Even one coin is enough. Copy the private key of this address. And paste it into the .env file. Press Ctrl S to save the changes. Replace the token recipient address receiver variable with the address where you want to issue the tokens. Press Ctrl S to save the changes. In my case, the private key and wallet address for devnet and mainnet were the same, because an address in Alephium can exist simultaneously in devnet, testnet and mainnet. Open the regular Explorer and open the terminal you were working in. Now, to deploy the smart contract on mainnet, we will need to the same command, but at the end write mainnet instead of devnet. Execute the command npx alephium cli latest deploy n mainnet. Done! Congratulations! Your first smart contract and issued tokens are now forever sealed in the mainnet network of the Alephium blockchain. Let's check that the tokens have appeared in your wallet and make sure that everything is now on the mainnet network. Everything is correct. You've succeeded. Now go back to the terminal. Copy the contract address and find this contract in the Explorer. Here we see 0.1 coins on the contract's balance, which were withdrawn from our wallet. And in the transaction section, we can see that this smart contract issued the tokens to the wallet we specified in the code. And now you can do whatever you want with these coins. Let's send a few coins to another address. As you can see, everything works great. Congratulations! Now you know how to create token on the Alephium blockchain. Thank you for watching these videos. I hope it was useful for you. A little later I will try to make a video about how to set an image for the token. Bye everyone!